Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Brawl Star video. After 2 days I am uploading a video, or it may be 3, I don't know. So in this video I am playing Brawl Stars. Currently I have 124 trophies and let me just see. Okay, so I have 16 victories right now, and in the Brawl Pass I got the Brawl Box, Big Box, and I am going to Big Box again. And let me just see if I can upgrade this. Yes, I can. Okay, I don't have enough power points. Okay, so in this video we are going to play 4 matches and let's see how many of them I am going to win. Hopefully I can win 4 out of 4. If yes, you have to leave a like, and if I don't, please subscribe, because yes, I would get motivated and I would do this again. So let's start this video without wasting much time. And at night I actually updated this Brawl Star. It was around 50 MBs, and I guess yes, the logo also changed. It's now a smiley. Okay, I didn't expect that. Come on. Okay, let me just take a rematch. Is there no one playing this game right now? That's not possible. 4 out of 6. 3 out of 6. 2 out of 6. Really? Okay, let's read the tip. When you are inside a bush, enemies can see you if you attack or take damage. Okay, we'll try it after some time. So currently I have 4 brawlers. One of them is Shelly, then Nita, then Colt and Rosa. So let's play with Rosa. I have not played with this. Let's select this, and I guess we can upgrade this. Yes, we can. Now let's play with this. Now, yes. Okay. 4 matches. Hello. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'll take this one down with me. Ah. Okay, let's run. Let's run. Let's run. Let's run. Okay. Let's run. Oh shit, I had 4 of them. Let's grab this one. Let's wait here for some more. Okay, let me. No, no, no. Run, 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 run. Far in the mountain. Run, 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 run. Okay, I have 8 right now. That's not enough. Ah. Really, I didn't expect that now. Let's do this again. Okay, I just got something. 50 coins. Okay, let's go.
Time to take care of the weeds. You're having a laugh. Leave me alone. Fungus.
Okay, I just died.
Pedals to the metal. You're having a laugh. Time to blossom. Got me for the win. Don't bother.
Okay, I have 8. So I have to be safe.
Got me for the win.
Okay, we have 10 now. So almost I have 10. So I have to be safe now. I. Yes. Yes.
Got me for the win.
Next.
Rosa's my
So.
name. Botany's my game.
So when I started playing in this video, I had 125 trophies, and then I lost a game and I lost 1 trophy. Now I won a game and I have more 8 trophies. So let's play next. You can tap the red okay. Never mind.
Time to take care of the weeds. You're having a laugh. You're having a laugh.
Okay, I have to run. Okay. Okay, we have 10 now. That's good. Yes, again. And I am the star player this time. So now you have to leave a like. Now it's compulsory for you to leave a like.
Time to take care of the weeds.
Let's do the next one.
Pedals to the metal.
Okay. So currently I won 2 matches out of 3. So okay, I died.
Rosa is my name, but here's my game.
Okay.
You're having a laugh.
Okay. Okay.
Leave me alone.
Yes, leave me alone. Okay, I need to run now. Yes.
Botany for the win.
So out of 4 I won 3. So let's do a bonus round. Hopefully I win this time. I really don't know.
Hello, hello, hello. You go, girl.
Okay, let's stand here for some time. We actually raided them, so they actually can't do anything about that. Let's raid them again.
Wait a minute, week, darling. Time to blossom.
Okay, I need to run now. I have
Leave
3.
me alone.
Now I have 4. Okay, we have the countdown now. Okay, I need to run. I have all of them. I have a huge responsibility, so I need to be safe. 2, 1. Yes.
I rose to the occasion. Rosa is my name, Botany's my game.
What is this? Collect. New ball. Okay. New event unlocked. There are 2 more events. Okay. Let's try the brawl ball. Okay. I have not played this one.
Hello, hello, hello. Anything you
अरे I think I would do the goal. I think. Yes.
fungus. Pedals to the metal.
Okay, I just sneaked out. Yes. Okay. That was easy for now, but I know it would get difficult. Yes.
Rosa is my name, Botany's my game.
We'll rate it later. We have a big box right now, so let's unlock this. Okay, I got 97 coins. 1 card of this, 1 of Rosa. Okay. And 1 of Shelly. Great. Let's go. I am on season 2, Summer of Monsters. Okay. What do we have in settings? Okay. So now I have 4 brawlers. I can upgrade them.
Meet, darling. Haha, beaten by a boxing botanist.
Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I just wanted to play some games because I didn't play it from a long time now. So this was a sweet short gameplay for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I play this game long till what it gets difficult. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye, have a nice day, and Jai Hind.